I came to Dr. Carr after researching, spending over $1,200 and more than a year in going and seeing people and consulting, and I knew when I got to him what I needed for sure, and that was that we had to deal with the fact I had a dry mouth, which is something a lot of people have to deal with, and that I also needed therefore implants, and the expenses were outlandish. So Dr. Carr offered something that nobody else did, and that was the 4-on-4. And the 4-on-4 would take care of the dry mouth issues and my emotional needs of not wanting to take my teeth out. And it was incredible. I mean, he was professional. He told me what he would do and he did it, and the price was much more reasonable than anyone else was offering. And I've found the follow-up has been the same. When you've paid all the money, they still really care, and you just never know what you're getting into. But Dr. Carr was excellent. I drive all the way from a little town outside of Amarillo. We take over 8 hours to get here. And I do that every 6 months because he does the maintenance and takes care of everything I need. It's awesome. It's a cliche, I know. But it gave me my smile back because I like to smile and I like to talk. And I made my living by doing sales presentations and trainings. And it just gave me my life back. And the smiles, I mean, that's a literal for me and not somebody trying to do a sales pitch or something. I would highly recommend Dr. Carr to other patients with complete peace about it, because everything about how they deal with you from the very beginning of consulting, the fact that he offers so much of it's right here in-house, and the front office staff and all the way through him, everybody has treated me like it mattered and that they were concerned about me. And then they worked really well even with my son, who did the driving back and forth because of the procedures I was doing. It was just wonderful.